If you're already feeling the stress of the holiday season, you'll want to stick around until the end of this video because I'm sharing 7 simple tips for keeping your stress levels down and your energy levels up all winter long. If we haven't met yet, my name is Lisa Grace Wright, founder and co-owner of Your Personal Best Training Studio, where my team of certified functional aging specialists work with people over 50 who are active now and want to stay active for the rest of their lives. After nearly 25 years of working with clients, I've noticed this time of year can seriously trip people up if they're not prepared for the added stress, social situations, and darker, shorter days. That's why I sent an email on this topic a few days ago, if you're on my email list, but it's so important and I want to talk about it again. So here's the thing. A few years ago, Healthline did a study. They found that when it comes to health and finances, 44% of people think the holidays are somewhat stressful, and 18% of them classified them as very stressful. This is ironic because the holidays are always painted as a time of fun and celebration. But if you're one of those people who does get stressed, there's something you can do about it. In fact, there are 7 things you can do about it. So grab a pen and paper or get out the notes on your phone because we're about to create your own personal holiday survival checklist. Are you ready for this? Well, let's get into it. Item number 1, make your plans today. If you love last-minute shopping, leave a few small things undone, but get all the big stuff handled ASAP. And if you plan to travel or throw a holiday party, start making your lists now. Do not procrastinate on this one. You will be kicking yourself later. Item number 2, make time for movement every day. No excuses. This will help you fight stress, sleep better, and boost your energy, metabolism, and immune system. This doesn't have to be a big deal. If you only have 15 minutes on the treadmill, make sure you make them a great 15 minutes. Item number 3, eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Decide now that this will be your plan of action. Item 4, this one goes with number 3. Make sure you enjoy your favorite holiday treats, the ones that are really worth it. There's not much more to add to this one, so if you love your aunt's special cookie recipe or your uncle's eggnog, have it. Just don't go crazy with it. It's only the holiday season once a year. Item 5, make time for sleep. A rested body and mind, being in a better mood, having less stress, a stronger immune system, and feeling great. Item 6, go outside for fresh air and sunshine every day. This is a proven stress buster. Plus, it just feels good. Item 7, create a fallback plan. I talked about this a few weeks ago, but it's worth bringing up again. Of course, things will go sideways at some point, but when you have a plan, you won't stress out when it happens. When you focus on the things that do make a difference and let go of those that don't, it's incredible how much you can accomplish without the stress. This is the same approach we use with our clients at Your Personal Best Training Studio. We create a roadmap of the best actions that will push them toward their goals. Our certified functional aging specialists will help you extend the length and quality of your life by restoring your strength, improving your balance, and reducing your joint pain. Beat the New Year's rush and join our 21-day balance and strength program today. Here's to less stress and more of what really matters. Please find the link to learn more about our approach in the description of this video. Let's talk again soon and have a happy, stress-free holiday season.